Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online on YouTube, on Facebook, on MySpace, on Twitter. Right now, 18 open for investor. All the people that are listening right now to the people of Haiti, the people in the tourism, the people open the Haiti is open its door to welcome everybody to the country. The tourism, the support tourism back to Haiti is one of the emblems, say I've been working on, say so many times. Haiti is one of the beautiful islands, say where you could go enjoy the historic. One of the first black country that take independence. The first black country that take independence. That's a big step right now. So I'm talking to all the black people, all the black leaders. If you really want to get yourself in a position to see where we come from, the country, say needs your help, say to invest in the country. All the investors, say the people that have the million, the billions to invest in Haiti, say to put the country to a standard, to a bigger country, to a bigger island in the world. Haiti is open its door to investors. So let's go invest in Haiti. Your investment will be protected, say because right now we're working very hardly on the enforcement of the security system to get the people emerge, to get the people know that people who invest in money, they invest their hard working money, say so they need to protect the country. Let me tell you something, people. Haiti is one of the best countries I see in the world, island in the world, because I see a lot of vision. If you're looking at Haiti, all the beaches that you can see out there, the potential, the Haitian got this country, but the Haitian people need to put their head together. We need to invest more in the education so we can have the future leader, the new leader that's coming up, the children, so they can have a beautiful island they could take more differently the way that those people that used to take. Now we need to think differently to embrace the future of the country, to make the country a better place, a beautiful place. Let's say we people, I don't see that every time say the people want to do something, they say, well, we don't have any money to do that, this and that. Hey, invest in the people. The people, the money that you have right now, invest in the people, you will see the return. The return will be big because people are more important than money. The last time I checked, I don't see a dollar bleed. I don't see $100 bleed. But if you squat somebody, if you put, but I see a blood. Money doesn't have blood, say so people still have the blood, say they are the one, say we need to invest it. We need to put people first. We not to be involved of money. Money is just a paper. The people is just people, say the people are suffering. When I see the people suffering hate, say that put me in a very bad position. They see that I want to do something big for the people. We have to embrace a technology, a system that can put everybody to work, that can build the country the way it's supposed to do. But if we have the knowledge, the education, say that we can convert that, we can make something big happen for the country. The people of Haiti, listen to this. When you elected a president, leave the guy alone to do something for the country. Leave Mateli alone. Let him do what he has to do because you elected him. Give him some time. The guy is doing whatever he can, say to do whatever. The country was in bad position. The country is a big time mess. When you look at Haiti, say it's not an easy puzzle. It's a big time puzzle. It's a big time puzzle to solve. Elect somebody, say you expect that person to raise a baton moïsa, puis retirer baton moïsa, ben pour Haïti get un bel pour retirer tout cela. Bah, ça pas facile. Mais bah, Haïti ont chance, mes amis, petit peuple haïtien. C'est ça m'a parlé, ça fait me virer d'accord là, qu'on est là pour me parler avec peuple haïtien. Peuple haïtien, nous besoin d'Haïti ont chance pour payer à venir sortir un pays nouveau. Parce que nous investir, pour nous investir dans l'éducation, l'éducation c'est ce qui est important. Si nous besoin de payer à venir nouveau de l'autre façon, il faut investir dans l'éducation. Éducation, je focus sur l'éducation encore. Éducation, c'est yon même des factory, c'est passeport, c'est lui-même qui a mis le pays dans une bonne position qui est pour le papier. Michel Martelly prend $1.50 sur diaspora pour investir, pour mettre les gens à l'école free. Ça, c'est un gros pas en avant que monsieur fait. Pas le président qui a fait ça. Nous mettons le système emblème dans la constitution pays à l'éducation free, mais il n'a pas forcé ça. C'est qu'on a là, monsieur mettait en forcé éducation pour éducation free dans toute zone, pour tout le monde qui a l'école free, pour nous avoir un avenir, un bon pays pour demain si Dieu veut. Peuple haïtien, bas, monsieur chance pour faire ça, il doit faire là. Si nous chaque monde mette nous finir électer au monde, nous voyons le dehors, on a la bonne monde provisoire, bon provisoire, pays a toujours en plus an demaj toujou, damaj toujou, an nou ba mse chans li, pep Haitien. Se sam dap di nan Jack TV, rete branche nan Jack TV, nap toujou gen plus epizod, nap toujou gen plus bagay nan Jack TV. So avek pep tout le moun entier m'a pale la pou fè ou konnen ke Haiti open for business. Let's make things happen. This is the way to make things happen. En forme, nap fè l'en forme. That's it.